Hi beautiful people, welcome back to another tutorial with KK Thompson. So I want to show you how to change your background picture in a jiffy. Yes, quick and fast way to change your video background. Are you shooting the videos in some areas that you feel like you don't want to put this background out in the public for persons to see? Something that we get to do our videos are not suitable to be seen, and so sometimes this hinders us from doing our videos. Well, I am here to tell you that this can change. This can change right now. If you follow this tutorial, you will have no problem again in shooting your video. Anywhere you want to shoot your video, you shoot your video and you can remove the background of the video. Yes, man, you can do that. You can even, change the background. Suppose you want to be in a Hollywood bedroom. Suppose you want to be in, you want to be in the King Palace. As long as you can get a photo to show where you want to go, whether Buckingham Palace, whether you want to be in the theater, whether you want to be on a ball field, you want to be in your sitting room, you want to be on your veranda, you want to be in your parlor, as the Africans would say, not a problem. As long as you can get that video, then it can be done. Watch this video and see how quick you can change your back. Let's go into the video. Okay, so we are going to our CapCut because we are using the CapCut app, and I'm going to CapCut. I am going to new project. It is going to take you to your gallery. I am going to photos. I am going to choose my photo. I am going to add my photo. Okay, so when you add your photo, depending on the length of your video, you're going to highlight and drag your photo to that length. Okay, so you're going back to the top now, and you are going to go down to the bottom here, and you are going to look for overlay. You're going to tap on overlay. You're going to add overlay. When you add overlay, you're going to your video this time. So you're going to choose your video and you are going to add your video. Okay. For this video, I am going to remove the volume of the video because we don't need the volume of the video. We just need to show you how to remove the BG. Okay. So you're going to scroll down and you're going to go to the end of your video. Right here, your end of your video. So you only need the photo at the end of your video. So what you're going to do, you're going to highlight your photo at the end of your video and you're going to cut it off. You're going to highlight and you're going to delete because you don't need that. Okay, so your video length and your photo length must be the same. Okay, because it's going to carry your video on and on and on and on. Okay, so when we reach here now, we are going to highlight the video and we are going to tap on the video and pull it down. We're going to pull it down because what we don't want the dining area to be showing underneath the video. Okay, we want it to look as real as it possibly can. All right, like I'm in my dining room, okay, or sitting area, whatever you may call it. I call it dining area, okay, because the table is there. So we're going to go again and we're going to use our two thumb. We are going to hold on the video and we are going to pull it, let it come all the way out because it is a landscape that we are doing, so we want it to fill out the area. Okay, then what we are going to do, still highlighted, We are going back down to the bottom here, and we are going to push to the left, push to the left, push to the left until we reach this one that says remove BG, remove background, and we are going to tap on that. And because we say we want it quick and easy, we are going for auto removal. And when you press the auto removal, it automatically remove your background. Sometimes it might take a little while, so you have to look over to the left right here, and you will see it move in a circle, and till the circle is filled up, it will give you a tick say it is fully done. Okay, but this one done fast. All right, so we are going to tick this, and this is how you remove your background. Look at it. If you want, you can blur your background. Okay, let me show you how to blur your background, make it a little more, you know, realistic. So what you can do, you're going to tap on the photo, and you're going to shift to the left again, shift to the left, shift to the left, shift to the left, shift to the left, and you are going to see background. You are going to tap on background, and it says color background, image, blur, brand background. Okay, so you're going to blur your background, and it have 3 different options of blurring your background. Okay, and over here say apply to all. So if you are using more than one background, you could set any one of these you choose and then press apply to all. But it's just one background we are working with now, so we are going to choose. You are not seeing the visible effect now until you select. Okay, so we are going to select number 3, blur, and we are going to press the tick. Okay, so the blur effect is in the background now. Okay, so this is how you would blur it if you want. Use any one of the options and get your blur. Okay, I am in my dining area. Yes, I am in my dining area. Who can tell me that I am not in my dining area talking to my subscribers or my viewers? Okay, so if you are having struggles watching this tutorial today, you will no longer have struggle to remove your BG. Okay, you can just remove your BG quick and fast using this method that I am showing you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much, my subscriber, for coming through. And for those of you that are watching that are not yet subscribed, I ask you please to subscribe to my channel for more of this kind of videos, and like, share, and leave a comment. If there is a question that you need to ask, you can go ahead and ask me in the comment section. Thank you. See you in another video. Blessings, blessings, blessings.